So customer delivery is the next topic of the discussion. What customer delivery is delivering the products at the customer's doorstep, which is the key. Normally, when a customer visits a retailer, now customer is expecting that some products, especially the large appliances, especially the appliances product, the electronics product should be delivered to him directly. So customer delivery is the key. If you see online businesses, they are already doing this delivery to the customer. If you have observed, because they have no physical presence or maybe less physical presence, so the solution, the attraction with the customer, the contact with the customer is through the customer delivery. So customer places an order on the website, and then the retailer, which is the online retailer, deliver the products to the customer at his doorstep or at his designated steps. So in this case, the customer gets the product through the delivery. Then both large and small size retailers, they are doing it. They are doing customer deliveries. In the early days, if you see, let's say the small retailer, which is the area retailer, normally what they have to do, that you give the list to them, और वो करते ये थे कि they normally prepare your order and then normally they deliver that order to your house. Of course, they know they know the customer at that time because you live in that area and the retailer is also from that area. So earlier practice भी यही थी कि जो retailer था वो order prepare करता था, prepare करके घर deliver कर देता था. But this was not organized. Now the large retailers is doing it properly also with a very organized method, जिसमें if a customer place them order, they normally pick that order for the customer on behalf of the customer and then they deliver this order to the customer. Then the quickest method, for example done by Amazon, what they do, they deliver the products to the customer via drone, which is the recent development. You place an order, so quickly in order to make the delivery to the customer more quickly, you can get the product delivered via drone. So drone will come to you at your doorstep and they will deliver the products to you at your doorstep. So this is the quickest way for the customer delivery, which is now done by the Amazon, also now been followed by Walmart also in some of the areas. So this practice of customer delivery is one of the key services, one of the key attributes of the services, and the customer value that. For a retailer, it is a success because customer is facing sometimes challenges of visiting the store because of the timing, because of some other constraints. So now the customer delivery has solved that problem. And in order to move forward, the retailer has to work on this model. The ones who are not working still now have to work on it. The one who are working has to improve the level of service. The one who are doing it efficiently is a success for them today and will be success in the times to come.